You pull your towels out of the wash. They look clean. They smell okay. But something's off. They feel stiff. They don't absorb water properly. And sometimes, there's still a faint musty odor hiding underneath. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most towels that look clean are actually still dirty. Not visibly dirty, but clogged, coated, and holding on to residue you can't see. Stay with me, because today I'll explain exactly why towels stay dirty even after washing, and more importantly, how to fix it permanently with a few simple changes. Before we dive in, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for smarter laundry habits that actually work. Why towels are different from regular clothes. Towels aren't just fabric. They're designed to absorb. That means they trap water, oils, skin cells, detergent, and minerals far more than regular clothes. Over time, these things build up deep inside the fibers. Washing alone doesn't always remove them, especially if the washing method is wrong. So while towels may look clean on the outside, the inside tells a different story. The biggest reason your towels are still dirty. The number one culprit is detergent buildup. Using too much detergent coats towel fibers instead of cleaning them. That coating traps dirt and odors inside, making towels less absorbent and harder to rinse clean. Ironically, the more detergent you use, the dirtier towels become over time. Fabric softener is quietly ruining your towels. This one surprises a lot of people. Fabric softener feels like it's helping, but it actually leaves a waxy layer on towels. That layer blocks absorption and locks in residue. Softener makes towels feel smooth at first, but over time they become stiff, smelly, and useless for drying. Why towels start smelling musty. That musty smell isn't old towel smell, it's trapped bacteria. Moist towels, especially when overcoated with detergent or softener, don't dry properly. Bacteria thrive in damp environments. Once bacteria settle deep in the fibers, regular washing may not kill them completely. The towel reset that actually fixes everything. Here's the fix. Simple, safe, and incredibly effective. First, wash your towels on hot with no detergent and add 1 cup of white vinegar to the wash. Vinegar breaks down detergent residue, mineral buildup, and bacteria. After that cycle finishes, run a second wash using half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda restores softness, neutralizes odors, and helps fibers relax and open up again. This two-step reset revives towels most people think are ruined. Why vinegar and baking soda must be used separately. Many people mix them together. Don't. Vinegar is acidic, baking soda is alkaline. When mixed at the same time, they cancel each other out. Used separately, they work like a deep cleaning system for your towels. Drying towels the right way matters. Over-drying damages towel fibers and locks in stiffness. Under-drying leaves moisture, which feeds bacteria. The best method is to dry towels on medium heat, remove them while slightly damp, shake them out, and finish air drying if possible. This keeps fibers fluffy and breathable. Why washing towels with clothes is a mistake. Towels need water space to rinse clean. When packed in with clothes, detergent and residue get trapped. Always wash towels separately. It allows proper agitation, better rinsing, and deeper cleaning. How often towels should actually be washed. Washing towels after every single use can cause buildup faster if detergent isn't rinsing out properly. Washing every 3 to 4 uses is ideal for most households. This balances hygiene and fabric health. The storage mistake that makes clean towels smell. Even clean towels can smell bad if stored incorrectly. Storing towels while slightly damp or packing them too tightly prevents airflow. Always store towels fully dry and loosely folded. Air circulation keeps bacteria from returning. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this helped you finally understand why your towels weren't clean and how to fix them, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest, practical home and laundry tips. Share this with someone who keeps buying new towels, because now you know better.